Hello, my beautiful, amazing people. Welcome to Nyambua Jane YouTube channel, and I am back, guys. Happy new month. I know Sija post for a while, but I am back. So, guys, Valentine's is in 4 days. Is it 4 or 5? Like Valentine's Day wiki. Yeah. So guys, I'm here. Your girl is here. I'm here to give you everything. You need on that Valentine's Day. So guys, Valentine's. Wale wapenda now. I don't know whether Valentine's here too, boyfriend, girlfriend, or lovers. Ama, you can do something for your parents, siblings. I'm a friend. They can be your Valentine. So guys, I want to guide you on the gifts, the kind of gift you can give your person on Valentine's Day. But before that, acha tuingie kwa the sweet, sweet, cute names. The cute, cute names you can call your love, your love as Valentine's Day approaches. I mean, I know we have the sweet, sweet names we call our people, but we need to change. Kama umekuwa ukimwita baby, the honey, the what, you can change to some names like my world, my king, handsome, bad boy, princess. All those names, like, just change. Let her feel it's something new. It's not the Valentine's that we used to know. No, it's something new. It's a new year, a new month. Celebrate your love in a special way. From the way you handle her, the way you go outings, you can change. Just put a little touch. Yeah, from the names you call each other. Sorry, you can change that. And so, guys, let's hop into the names. Not the names, sorry. Let's hop into the names. Not names, God. Okay, the kind of gift, you're supposed to gift, or that you can gift your boy, your girl, all, all of that. But before that, there is this gift that we are used to receiving. We often receive it, but money, bouquet. Ah, mambo ya kupewa pesa ikiwa maua. I had it banned. So I know this is an advantage to the boy child, but for us, it's a loss. So besides that, what else can we be gifted, or what else can I gift him? So let's do this. So before we proceed, have you subscribed? If you haven't, please do so. Just click the subscribe button, the like, share. Yeah, if it's helpful to you, just share your thoughts, drop a comment and all that. So here we are. You are wondering, my brother, you are wondering, what will you give to your woman this Valentine's? So listen and listen very carefully. So you, okay, I mean, you know your person really, really, very well. So you know the kinds of clothes they like, everything, their likes and their dislikes. So how about, uende mahali kwa boutique, get her a nice outfit, go to Supu, appreciate her. Like, that can be a Valentine's gift. Most of us, we don't buy clothes often, because when we do, we buy them plenty. So you can surprise her with a dress, a trouser, like, just a nice garment. Yeah. Then there is perfume. You know the kind of perfume she likes, or maybe you can go out and find a perfume that, oh, the scent, oh my gosh, and you can just decide to take it to her. That is an awesome Valentine's gift. Then there are these kind of ladies like me who like to read. So you can take her a novel written by her favorite author, or a novel that it suits her taste. Yeah, you can take her a book, a what, but don't do it if she is not a person who reads. I mean, brother, you will be wasting your time. So the next is the obvious, the usual flowers. Just look for nice looking flowers, maua too school, something that she will be delighted to see. Yeah, so just take some flowers. Another thing, it's about women who do yoga like me. So you can sign yoga classes for her, like when they ulipie. The only thing is to tell her, baby, you need to do one to one to umwambie aende yoga. Yeah. So guys, there are very many things you can do for your woman. Even you can buy a makeup kit for her. Kama ni mtu wa makeup, you can help her do her hair. You can get her a wig. Like there are very many things. Then you can surprise her, maybe with a proposal. Maybe you haven't proposed to her yet. You can use that opportunity to propose to her as a Valentine's gift. Yeah, you can also surprise her with a maybe coffee date, dinner date, or even, go for a movie, like both of you, when them watch a movie pamoja, do all that love stuff. Yeah, another thing is mambo na self-care. Some things that are personal about your woman. You can like try to umonyeshe you care. Like, what will I say? Like you just do something to show you care for her. Yeah, dedicate your time, visit, surprises, and all that. Yeah, I mean, it's a month of love, and Valentine's comes once in a year, and it's coming Saturday. Guys, those are the kinds of gifts that you can, purchase or get for your woman. There are very many, including chocolates, shoes, a beautiful shoe, what she likes, all those things. Yeah, another thing that you can do for your woman, send her money. I didn't say money in form of a flower. No, just kama hiyo asubuhi ya Valentine, niambie nikiwa nimelala, niamshwe na alert. Yeah. So sending money is also a way of showing love. Guys, ingine kwa wame, our boy child, our boys, the kind of gift you can get for your man. But before that, my sister, my brother, subscribe. Yeah, so a watch. A watch, you can get a watch for your man. Pia jezi, kama ni fan wa Manu, kama ni fan wa what, una get to jersey, but this applies to both. You can get your woman a jersey, you can get your man a jersey. So all that. Pia kwa book, if your man is someone who likes to read a lot, you can get him a book from his favorite author. Yeah, guys. Then there is tech gadgets. Yeah, like maybe earbuds, headphones, you can get him stuff like your Bluetooth radio, all those stuff. Then you can surprise him with like shoes, kuna hizi shoes gents wanapenda sana, so you can get him a nice shoe. Yeah, guys. Then you can give him a surprise visit. Our name, sons of Abraham. They like being visited. I don't know why, but you guys wanapenda kuvisitiwa. Yeah, you can pay a surprise visit. Unaweza mbaia kitu umpelekee. Like you can cook food, umwambie, like umtekelezee tu, umwambie, babe, you don't need to cook dinner. It's here. Yeah, you know, you get it. Yeah, so another gift that you can get for your mom, a wallet. Yeah, a wallet. I mean, unataka kuwekewa pesa wapi? Yeah, just go there, go out there, get a wallet, gift him, and all those stuff. Another thing, you can get him a belt. I mean, kwani utakuwa unafungua nini? Uh, yeah, you can get him a belt ya kufunga. You can get him a backpack, bag kama ya kwenda job, bag kama ya mambo kama hiyo, carrying his items, Another thing, you can buy any kitu ya kushave ya beard trimmer. You can get him one. Yes, surprise him. Like there are very many gifts you can give to your man. So what else? You can also gift something you mentioned when you were talking about gifts to gift a woman. You can gift him a perfume, things like a pillow, Yeah, pillow. And all those things. Yeah. Then another thing you can do, like this is for both. Maybe you have something that you've been promising each other. So you can use Valentine's Day to fulfill it. Like umekuwa ukimpromise, maybe tutaenda kuona wazazi, I'll buy you this, we'll do this. You can use Valentine's to do that thing. Yeah, na kumwambia, hey baby, we were talking about 1212. So now, today is the day. Yeah, you can do that. Then there are also something else, a wall art, ama a picture frame. Like umtengenezee, I mean, you have her pictures or his pictures. So utengeneze tuka, ama uende utengenezeshe picture and her and a wall frame. I mean, that's nice. So guys, Valentine's imekaribia. I wish you love, nothing but love, my beautiful, amazing people. So guys, this is Nyambua Jane. Yeah, I am Nyambua Jane. This is Nyambua Jane Lifestyle channel. We are road to 100. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Yeah, and I will be posting something else soon. Yeah, najua nimepotea sana, but guys, I'm sorry. Thank you for you who has watched this video till this point. So guys, remember to subscribe. Remember to do all that stuff. It's a girl, Nyambo wa Jane, and happy Valentine's, my people. I wish you love. Yeah, na msiachane, msiachane. I mean, love exists. It does. So guys, be good.